Welcome to my nighttime routine as a single mom. This is as real as it gets for me, showing you through a typical evening with Sydney and myself. So it starts off with dinner around 5 p.m. Tonight I made just fettuccine and spaghetti sauce, so just spaghetti basically. And Sydney and I will eat a little bit of dinner, and then after dinner is playtime, when I usually try to spend as much time playing with Sydney as possible to get some last energy out and just enjoy her company before I have to clean and be a mom. Thank you, chocolate with orange sprinkles. Yum. You ready for Jamie's and milk?
Yeah.
You tired? You tired, sweet girl? So around 6:30 is when we start to really unwind, and I give Sydney a cup of milk, and then I get her in pajamas and her pull-up for the evening, and she plays a little bit longer, but we really try to relax and unwind and then pick up toys.
Apple, and I go buy cake. I'll buy waffle cake.
Okay, and then
Waffle first.
and after you're done going grocery shopping, can we pick up your playroom, please?
What? But I'm going grocery shopping. See, I get chicken on it.
You have chicken in there?
Yeah. And I got steak.
And steak?
Yeah. And I got muffin in too.
Oh, and milk.
And I got purple onion in it. And now Annie is a potato. I'm a potato.
Okay.
And then what else? Steak and an apple. I need an apple for me. I need an apple and a mango.
Her little imagination gets me every single time. She is so cute playing pretend grocery shopping, trying to get out of cleaning up toys and taking more laps around the coffee table. She cracks me up.
I want someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live.
I usually enlist Sydney to help me clean up the playroom and pick up her toys for the evening, and we get as much as done possible before we do head upstairs. Okay, come on, let's go.
Ricky? I'm going to put the sun in your app down now.
Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. And 7 p.m. is Sydney's bedtime, and we go upstairs and she picks out a stuffed animal, or in this case, a random little tiny toy to sleep with. And then we pick out 2 books, while Sydney picks out 2 books for mommy to read to her, and we do our bedtime routine.
This life to the fullest, to the fullest. Time flies, yet there's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes. Now echoes from the other night.
Then right after I put Sydney to bed, I immediately get to work on doing house chores, because if I start to settle down or sit down and just, I don't want to get up and do the chores. So I like to do my dishes and make sure I empty the sink as much as possible, pick up the rest of the toys, clean the counters, whatever I need to do to get my house looking a little bit more put together before I start to relax and unwind.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
So I typically like to do laundry during the day, but as you guys know, vacation time was upon us and I wanted to just get everything done earlier as soon as possible, because I didn't want to come home to a mess or a pile of laundry. So I put in a load of laundry, and then I decided to clean up the bathroom just a little bit, just straighten out my straightener and things that were on the ground.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
I have been freezing lately just because the weather has cooled off so much lately. So I like to take a nice hot bubble bath to warm myself up and get into my pajamas and just be cozy and kind of relaxed. It helps me unwind so much. So I ran myself a bath, and then of course I decided to do a face mask. This is just a random one from Fresh that was in my closet. And as you guys probably know, I love to unwind with a nice cup of hot, relaxing tea at the end of the evening. So I am just using my electric kettle, and I'm responding to comments on my latest YouTube video and replying to your DMs on Instagram, all while Lifetime Christmas movies are playing in the background. It's quite festive and totally necessary.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
So So after I get in my comfy Christmassy pajamas, I have been doing a teeth whitening routine, and this is new to me. As of about a week or two ago, I started using this HiSmile teeth whitening kit, and they just revamped their formula. And I just want to say thank you to HiSmile for partnering with me on this video. I have been loving this teeth whitening gel. First of all, I have been an avid teeth whitener. Well, I used to be back when I was, in my 20s and in college. I used to use strips and whatnot, and my teeth were so sensitive, but I dealt with it. Now as an adult, if I try to use them, they hurt so bad. It's like almost unbearable and uncomfortable. Their teeth whitening kit comes with a mouthguard tray that they have made a little bit more compact so that it fits in your mouth a little bit easier. An LED light mechanism that helps activate the gel that has an automatic 10-minute timer on it. And then 3 gel syringes. So you have 6 applications. I have noticed a huge difference. I started with about a 5 on this card, and I am at maybe a 3, maybe a 4 in between. So yeah, only using it about a week, I've already noticed such a difference. And they also have a nighttime toothpaste and a daytime toothpaste that I have been using as well. Just absolutely love HiSmile. And go ahead and click the link down in my description box below if you guys are interested in trying them out. It would be a perfect holiday gift. If you want to tell your loved ones about this, it would be a perfect holiday gift for you or a loved one. What I like most about this teeth whitening gel, again, is that my teeth are not sensitive whatsoever, and the product really, really works. So after I whiten my teeth, I usually spend a lot of time editing and being frozen on my computer. So that is a typical night in my life, a lot of editing and unwinding. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.